flows over Havana like silver tears upon the sea, and through the silence of the moonlight your memory comes back to me. The city glows beneath the storm clouds while the ocean sings below. Every street reflects a story of a love I used to know. A lonely trumpet cries from somewhere through the misty midnight air, while the piano softly whispers that your spirit's still there. Midnight rain serenade, Alma Latina tonight. Every drop becomes a melody beneath the moonlit sky. Though the years have drifted away, your love still makes me whole. The rain keeps dancing on the windows of an old Havana cafe, while the vinyl keeps on turning like memories that never fade. Your perfume lingers in the shadows where the candlelight still glows. Every bolero tells the story of a heart that still holds hope. Midnight rain serenade, Alma Latina tonight. Every drop becomes a melody beneath the moonlit sky. Midnight rain serenade echoes deep in my soul. Though the years have drifted away, your love still makes me whole. Oh, Havana, the rain still falls upon the sea. Every wave repeats your name, bringing your heart back to me. Midnight rain serenade, the dawn begins to shine, but somewhere in the heart of Cuba, your soul still dances with mine. Golden light shine over Havana like diamonds scattered through the night, and in the warmth of Café de Amor, your memory glows so bright. The old cafe still hums with music beneath the amber evening sky, Every table holds a story of lovers passing by. The trumpet sings a sweet confession, while the piano softly sways, and every shadow on the wall remembers our golden days. Golden lights, Havana, Café, Amor tonight. Every candle tells a story beneath the moonlit light. Golden lights, Havana, echoes of romance remain. Though the years have drifted away, your love still calls my name. Rain-kissed streets reflect the city like mirrors made of dreams, while old boleros fill the darkness with their tender melodies. Your perfume lingers in the moonlight, where our hearts once danced as one, and every note becomes a memory of a love never undone. Golden lights, Havana, Café, Amor tonight. Every candle tells a story beneath the moonlit light. Golden lights, Havana, echoes of romance remain. Though the years have drifted away, your love still calls my name. Oh, Havana, your golden lights still lead me home. Every street remembers our laughter, every cafe remembers our song. Golden lights, Havana, the stars begin to fade, but inside Café de Amor, our romance will never age. El viejo bar sigue despierto, mientras la Habana duerme bajo la lluvia, y entre boleros y copas vacías, tu recuerdo vuelve a la penumbra. Las luces doradas tiemblan lento sobre las mesas del rincón. El humo baila con la madrugada, como fantasmas de nuestro amor. El cantinero limpia en silencio los mismos vasos de aquel adiós, y el viejo piano toca despacio la triste historia de los dos. Recuerdos del viejo bar, boleros y nostalgia. Tu mirada vive en las sombras como una eterna madrugada. Canción que toca la noche abre de nuevo esta pasión. La lluvia besa las ventanas mientras el saxofón vuelve a llorar. Tu vestido danza entre recuerdos que nunca aprendí a olvidar. Los vinilos giran lentamente como promesas junto al mar, y cada nota lleva escondida la herida dulce de regresar. Recuerdos del viejo bar, boleros y nostalgia. Tu mirada vive en las sombras como una eterna madrugada. Canción que toca la noche abre de nuevo esta pasión. Ay, amor, las calles todavía hablan de ti. Cada copa guarda un secreto, cada bolero te trae hacia mí. Recuerdos del viejo bar, la noche no terminará, porque en las sombras de La Habana tu amor siempre